Welcome, and follow me is a Nubia Red Magic 7, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, open up settings. From here, scroll all the way down to advanced settings, select reset options, and apparently we don't have any reset options, we just have reset phone at the bottom. Now it does give us a little quick info on what this process will remove, so things to keep in mind that it removes would be music, photos, and all user data. So if you'd like to keep any of these things that are provided right here, do make a backup copy of it before you begin, otherwise the data will be completely lost and there is no real way to actually retrieve it. Now, assuming you have already made a backup or you simply don't want to, then proceed by selecting Reset Phone, tap on OK, and the process has now begun. Now this will probably take about a minute to 2 minutes to finish up, and once it has, we'll be then presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. As you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.